It's okay now. Stop giving me that look. I will be back before you know it. I'm not going to stay forever. It's just a few days, huh?
Okay.
Daddy. My angels.
Daddy, you're enjoying this new you. I pray it continues. I pray so too.
Of course, it will. Nothing to worry.
Honey, I just don't like the fact that you were driving. The roads are not good.
Baby, I've been doing this for some time. This is not my first time. Okay?
Okay. But call me.
Of course.
And come back soon, okay?
Of course, I will call you. And I'm coming back soon.
Okay.
That's my baby.
I love you.
I love you, Mom.
Okay, come on, you're running
so,
late.
girls, take care of Mom, okay?
Okay, bye.
Be a good girl. Be a good girl, right? Alright, I'll see you when I see you.
Okay,
bye. Alright, see you, bye.
Bye.
Bye, my angels. Bye.
Junior, Jojo, your daddy's coming today. In fact, he's on his way right now. Are you happy? Good boy. Junior.
Okay, Daddy, to call baby.
No, don't say that. Junior, make sure no one hears that from you again. Do you understand?
Mama, not like Uncle.
Come on, Junior, don't say that. Okay? Promise you won't say it again. Say, I promise.
I promise.
Good boy. Now come to mommy, okay? Oh, my baby. Make sure that you don't say that again so daddy will not get angry with you, okay? Give mommy a hug. Junior! Choo.
Good afternoon, Mr. Uche.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Sit down.
Please, your wife.
Kids, since you came into our family, I've never seen you in this happy mood. What is going on?
Yes. I am so happy, Mr. Uche. You know, my husband came here yesterday.
Okay.
And then he came home and became a new person.
Are you serious?
Very, very serious. Titus took me and the children out yesterday. Not just that, too. He bought us gifts.
Oh.
He was in a very good mood.
Oh.
I'm so happy.
Good news. Thank God for that.
Oguchi, that is why I came. I want you to tell me exactly what you told him so that I can be using it on him because it's working.
Okay, let me to tell you. One Baba gave me small thing and I rubbed it on my leg.
Hey, I'm so
That's
happy.
good. Thank God.
Thank God.
That is the Titus I want him to be. Huh?
Honestly, I married the sweetest woman in the world. No man will have a taste of her and not want to have her permanently. Some wicked men will even want to kill me so they can have her for themselves. God forbid. I will never give her that chance. If I come back now, I will return things to the way they are. I will never let her see freedom she's looking for.
you related to him? I don't know him. Don't know him. I just saw the accident scene and I went there and helped. Oh, really? Yes. You just helped him like that? Oh, I'm happy to hear that. I can't believe there are still good people out there who could help people without making fun of it. No, other people, when they see accident victims, instead of helping, they snap to post on their social media handles. I hope he survives. Nevertheless, since you're not related to him, then how do we locate his family? I got his phone and other valuables. Okay. But it's locked. I don't have the code. Oh, it's locked. This thumb printer. Oh, yes. Check it. Okay, it's open now? Yes. I thought as much. So look for that my wife or my brother, something like that, or my honey. My wife.
Baby! Come and hear this. Oh, thanks to God, Hey. Please, let everybody be happy.
Yes.
Yeah, come.
Hey.
Sit down.
How are you now?
Come and hear the good news.
Fine. This is the first time I've seen you this happy.
Hey, is it not the same thing I said?
I'm so happy. That is what I was just telling your husband. I've been praying for a day like this. Sorry, my phone is ringing. The person we're just talking about is calling.
Oh, Titus.
Hello?
Hello, my name is Ahanna.
What are you doing with my husband's phone?
Sorry, madam. There was an accident along Enugu-Abakaliki Express Road.
It's a lie. My husband told me he was going to Lagos.
I'm sorry, madam. But if you know the owner of this phone, that means you're needed at Siri Hospital for identification. I
am not coming anywhere. I'm sure this is... You were 419 or you stole my husband's phone. You better return the phone to him.
Hello,
Can you imagine?
What is it?
Can you imagine? One idiot just called me now and said, God forbid, not my husband, that his ancestors had an accident along Enugu-Abakaliki Road when my husband told me he was going to Lagos. Can you imagine? Eh?
Yes, not him. Not him.
Not him.
But at the same time, we need to verify this information. Okay? I'm not saying he's your husband, but at the same time...
He told me he was going to Lagos, not Enugu.
Okay, doctor. See, the woman is doubting me. She was shouting that I should give the phone to the owner, that she's not coming anywhere. I don't know.
Then, what are we gonna do now? What are we going to do? See what will happen now. Okay. Check the phone. I don't know if there's WhatsApp on the phone. You see WhatsApp? Yes. Okay. You have to snap him. Okay. Then send it to that number. Send those pictures to that number so that it will be a proof. Yes. They will see the face and... Yes. Yeah. Snap the face, come closer, so they will recognize him. Nice one. I'll forward it to that. Snap the leg, so they will see. They will see what happened. Okay.
I'll now send those pictures to that's my wife.
Do it.
All right, fine. You know what? Just call that number back. Let me talk to the person.
I think you should do that.
Well, I think you are just disturbing yourself for nothing, but I will call him. It's ringing.
Yeah, hello?
Yes, sir. My name is Ahanna, sir.
Okay. Yes. The owner of this phone is my younger brother. Please, what happened?
Sir, he is involved in a motor accident. Seriously wounded. He's unconscious as we speak.
Oh, are you serious? Alright, fine. You know what? Please, send me the name of the hospital and the address. I'll be there shortly.
Okay, sir. I'll do that.
Alright.
How do you say?
Yeah, it said...
Chimo! Ewo! They have killed my husband! They have killed Titus! What? No. What's him? They've killed him!
No. The person I spoke to said he made it alive.
No! Hey!
Kate.
They've killed Titus!
Kate, it's okay.
I'm not even done!
Hold yourself.
No!
Relax, nothing else happened to him. It's fine, he made it alive. Babe, you know what? Take care of the house, take care of the children, okay? Why I get ready, then we'll go to the house.
Okay,
Let us go.
Take care of, let me get ready, okay?
Please take care of my children. Pick them up from school.
I will.
Hurry up!
I will. Don't worry. Calm down. It's okay. Everything will be alright.
No, it was okay. Oh,
It's don't.
He's not replying my messages. Is he still coming or not? But if he left Asaba, as at the time he told me he was leaving, he should be here by now. No. No. Okay.
Hello?
Who's this?
My name is Sahan. The owner of this phone is involved in a motor accident.
What? You're not serious, are you?
Yes, he's hospitalized as I speak to you now.
Hospitalized? Hey, how is he? Is he fine? Is he still alive?
Yes, very much alive. Just that he's seriously wounded.
Okay, I'm coming right away, okay? I'm coming. Have I lost it? Have I lost it all? No. This is not happening. This is not happening. No. Maybe I'll calm down. This is not happening. This is not happening. No. My village people. Oh, my village people. I have to walk. I have to do something. No, not this time. I can't lose this time. I can't lose at this point. Baby, there's a problem. A very big problem.
What could that be?
Chief Titus had an accident.
My, oh my. Oh my God. I said it. I had this premonition. I had it. You see, my instinct doesn't lie to me.
Baby, what should we do now?
you try and locate him, okay? Why go with Junior? Hmm? He would love to see his son.
Okay. Okay. I pray it will work. I pray he.
It'll work.
Okay.
It's okay. Chief. It's a bad man, oh, it's a bad one. Money nobody come again. See, I wanna. Chief, don't die. We still need you. I wanna. Because I some mad on do. I wanna.
Hello? Yeah, we just arrived at the hospital now. Where are you? Oh, all right.
Where's my husband?
My name is calm down.
Just
Come.
Wait. Is he dead? Is he alive? Titus. Was he a truck that hit him? Why is he like this? Titus, please, he shouldn't die, oh, he shouldn't die. Hey, Connor, please, he should not die. Oh, where is the doctor? Where is he?
Relax.
Madam, you have to calm down. Like I said, we have everything under control. I believe in no time he will start talking. I believe that.
Yeah, doctor, thank you for all you've said, okay? So, where is the scare? Like, what?
As at this moment, we found out that he has multiple fractures.
Hey. Titus, oh, they have broken his legs. My husband, hey.
Nothing has happened to him, eh? He's responding like you said. Don't worry, we'll be fine. Just relax, okay?
Oh.
Just calm down, relax.
We also discovered that he has a serious injury on his vertebral.
Hi. Doctor, please just make us understand, simpler English. What is wrong with Titus?
What it means is that he will find it difficult walking.
He is crippled. They have crippled him. That is what he is saying.
He's not crippled yet. Just relax.
Hey.
Don't worry, he'll be fine.
He'll be fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Like I said earlier, he has 50% chance of getting back to his feet again, but the process will cost a lot of money.
Hey, come on, doctor. Do whatever you have to do. Money's not the problem.
Yes.
Okay?
Please
save his life for us.
Okay. I am a Christian. I believe in God. We doctors, we give care. But it's only God that heals. So I pray and believe that
Honey? Sweetheart?
Sweet again.
Baby. Nurse.
Hey, madam, you have to calm down. Baby. Don't touch him. Madam, please, you have to calm down.
Baby.
He doesn't need this noise now. Calm down.
Baby. Baby, are you okay? Is he still alive?
Yes, sure, he's alive.
Baby, honey. Honey. What's going on?
Madam, calm down.
Junior. See you, Daddy. What's up?
You have to calm down. Madam, you have to go out. You have to go out. You can't hold yourself. You have to go out. You have to go out.
I'm sorry, please.
Then calm down. Calm down. Madam, calm down. Calm down.
Okay. Yes. I'll stay calm. Yeah, see you, Daddy.
Madam, stop touching me. Calm down, just sit down.
I don't understand.
I am as confused as you are. Hi.
You mean you have never seen that woman before?
No. I know nothing about this woman. But I heard her calling my brother her husband.
No. This should be a mistake. We are not dreaming, right? We are awake. What's happening?
What is wrong with Titus? How can Titus get married to another woman without any of us knowing about it?
Exactly. That is the reason you should be telling me what is going on. Look, Mr. Uche, if there is anything I need to know, anything at all, you can tell me. Tell me.
Nothing. Like I told you before, I am as confused as you are. I know nothing. I won't lie to you. Huh? Yes. Believe me. But what, anyway, thank God he's still alive. Huh? Thank God he's still alive. Only Titus can explain this.
Hey.
Huh? I pray he come out of this coma as soon as possible so he can tell us what is going on.
Mr. Uche, that little boy, are you sure that boy is not Titus' son?
Well, I really don't know what is going on. The little boy called him daddy.
Hey!
So, I can't explain this. I don't know. Only him. Like I said before, I pray he come out of this coma as soon as possible so he can tell us what is going on.
This can't be happening. This can't be happening.
Please, just, okay, don't worry. We have to be strong for him. Okay? So, relax. Please. Let me see what is going on. Yeah? Yeah, madam. The man lying down there is my younger brother. And the beautiful woman sitting beside him is his lovely, legally married wife. So please tell us, who are you?
I'm sorry, I did not introduce myself.
All right.
My name is Mabel. And the boy seated here is Titus Chikamso. His father calls him Junior.
Excuse me. Who is his father?
Mr. Titus here. We had him together. He's been coming to see us. Sorry, Junior. In fact, he was on his way to come see us when he had this accident. I am from Oboluku, but I school in Ebonyi State University.
So, it was you my husband was going to see in Abakaliki. And he told me he was going to Lagos for a meeting. Let's go, Maid.
At this moment, you really need to be very strong.
Thank you. The doctors told me the effort you made in bringing him here. I appreciate.
It's not a problem. These are most of the valuables I got in his car. And this is his phone. Yes, I used his thumbs to open it when I was looking for the family member's number. I hope you don't mind.
No, of course not. Thank you. You're a very good man. God bless you.
I had to do what I did. You know, someday I might need somebody's help. The devil always turns around.
Thank you very much.
And about his car, it has been kept in a mechanic workshop.
Hey.
So once they are done with what they are doing with it, I will inform you.
Thank you very much. My God will bless you. Hey, please, let me have your number. Just put your number here.
You called my brother your husband. I don't know you. When did he pay your birth price?
I'm sorry you called him my husband. I did not realize his relatives were here at the time I came.
I also remember you telling me that my brother Titus told you he was married. Then, why did you still go ahead to get pregnant for him and have a baby for a married man?
I never wanted to keep the child. He begged me to keep the child for him.
So, how did you meet him?
So that fateful evening, I was selling fruits for my sister.
My customer.
Yeah, how are you there?
Fine, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Welcome. What do you want?
Apples is fine.
Okay.
Red one.
The red one. How many?
6.
Okay, sir.
That's...
Sorry, sir. It's too much. This is 2,000.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Yes, sir.
But this your nylon is looking all this.
Sorry, sir. Excuse me, sir.
I just lost my phone last week like this.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, you're so kind. Thank you. Sorry, just hold on. Let me just. I must reward you. I have my driver's license, everything in this wallet. Here you go.
Oh, no, sir. I don't want.
No, it's just from my heart to say thank you.
No, sir. Why would I take money from you for helping you? It's fine.
At least some people will just speak it like that. Wow, thanks a lot.
You're welcome,
Thanks.
sir.
All right, let me have your contact. At least I mustn't come here all the time to buy.
Oh, sir, I know I will not pick your calls.
Well, sometimes I can just call and tell you what I want. You keep it for me and I just pick it, right? It happens. Wow. Thank you, and keep it up, eh?
All right, sir. He kept calling and demanding to see me. He disturbed that he wanted to see me. But I refused. I did not see him.
So, how did you get pregnant for him?
It was my first year in Ibadan State University. My uncle stopped paying my school fees. And of course, my parents are late. I didn't want to stop schooling, so I approached Mr. Titus. I spoke to him about it, so he started paying my school fees. He changed my life. He rented a comfortable place for me to stay in Abakaliki. Until one day, he said he wanted to come visit me in school. Months after I realized I was pregnant, I approached him. I spoke to him about it. I even asked him to give me money to abort the child. But he refused. He begged me to keep the baby. That he was going to take care of him until he's grown. Of course, he's been keeping his promises. He's been taking care of my son. But now that he is sick, I know my son and I will suffer.
No. He will never suffer. As long as I live, he will not. You said the boy is Titus' son. I will take good care of him. But one thing I still don't understand is why will a promising, beautiful girl like you dash your future to a married man? Looking at the future, I wonder what the currency will be by the time you realize what you have done.
It was a mistake.
No. It was a deliberate mistake. That is what it is. You may really not understand what you have done, but time will tell.
So what do you suggest I do now?
Go on your knees. Talk to your Creator. Beg for forgiveness. Beg for directions. Tell Him to help you correct your mistakes. Only Him. Yeah.
Still crying. I thought I showed you to your room already.
Just when you want to enjoy peace, the devil still locates us with another problem. Why us? Why us all the time?
You know what? You don't have to cry anymore. Your dad is still alive. And I saw him with my eyes. Well, don't you believe me?
I believe you. But God should have protected our father. Now Mama will start crying again. I want to see my mommy.
My darling. See, don't you worry. Your mom is fine. You should be worried about your dad.
My mommy have suffered a lot in the house of my father.
Yes. But see, I don't want my mommy to cry again. You know what? It's bedtime. Let's go to bed.
No! I want to see my mommy. I'm not feeling sleepy.
Titus pays Mabel 100,000 naira a month. Titus has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 side chicks. My husband has 9 side chicks and I'm sitting here praying for him to be better.
Not anymore. Take your brother's phone. Go through his WhatsApp. Make sure you read carefully so you understand how inhuman Titus is.
God. Why? Why has my brother chosen to live such a life?
Titus beats me up every time. He never allows me to dress well or even go out like my mates. But still I endured all of that because of how much I love Titus, my husband, yet he goes out to sleep with all these girls.
Please, you will hurt yourself. Stop crying. Huh? You've been crying for days. Don't go and fall sick.
I don't want me to cry. You just let me cry. How can you even say I should stop crying when my worst nightmare is staring me to my face? Just let me cry, okay? Let me cry.
I am very sure by the time he gets well, he will make amends.
I don't care about his amends. I just care about fixing my broken life.
No, you can't leave him now. You cannot abandon him in the hospital. This is the time he needs you most. This is the time he needs to earn your trust.
Trust? Did you just say trust? Tell me, where has trust landed me? What has he earned me? I've given Titus my life. I gave up on my dreams, gave up on my aspiration, gave up on my career. I quit my job. I've given him everything, and this is what I get? Not anymore. This is a time for me to fix myself. Fix my life, and I will do it. I have been on the receiving end all this while. Life keeps tossing me like a ship upon a sea. Thank God I made it to this point with my life. It is time I start living my own life. I regret spending years in another man's shell and never getting to fit in. It is time I look after myself.
What have I done wrong? Where did I go wrong? I have been the best I can be, yet you maltreat me. I have done all you want me to do. I respect and honor you, but it's not good enough for you. What else can I do? I am tired of the pain, tired of the shame. been rough. I have tried to be tough, but enough is enough. I can't take it anymore. I have had enough. Who will rescue me? Onye gabachara moso enyemaka. Somebody, please rescue me. Please rescue me. Please rescue me.
Kitchen, is it right?
Kelechi!
How are you?
Oh my God, Kelechi, I'm fine. How have you been?
I'm fine.
But
Wow.
Kelechi, you left without saying anything.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So why are you looking like this? What has been going on with you? You know you're the almighty Kate. I didn't expect to see you like this after a long time.
Well, life has no respect for anyone. Besides, you look good. You always look good.
Thank you. Thank you. So why not hop in? Let's chat some more.
I'm afraid it's not a good time. I'm actually on my way to Asaba.
You're going to Asaba. And going to Asaba dressed like this. Anyways, we'll talk about it. I am going to Onitsha. Let me drop you off.
You won't understand, but thank you so much. So let's go.
Come on.
Kelechi.
Wow. I didn't expect to see you after a long time.
I know, right?
The almighty Kate. The envy of everyone. Wonderful.
I am tired, tired of the pain, tired of the shame. I am tired, tired of the tears, tired of the fear. Somebody please rescue me. I am tired of this pain, tired of this fear. I am tired, tired of the pain, tired of the shame. I am tired, tired of the tears, tired of the fear.
You look disturbed. Are you okay?
Oh, yes, I am disturbed. I don't know. I really don't know what is going on. Kate told me she was going to leave, and I thought she was joking. But for me to come outside and they said she has already left.
Oh, Titus' wife.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Titus' wife. And I'm supposed to be going home this morning to go take care of my business.
Oh, well, I came to tell you that I'm going back to school. I'm leaving this morning too.
No. It's how? We all can't leave him abandoned here in the hospital. Huh? So you have to stay behind.
No, I'm leaving to school.
I don't get it. Are you trying to tell me your classes are more important than my brother?
And are you trying to insinuate that staying here is more important than my education? No, I don't think so.
Oh, come on. This is Titus you're talking about. The father of your son, as you claimed. Come on, this is the time he needs you most. Everything he has done for you, it's time for you to pay him back.
Well, if I can recall vividly, you told me that being here was a mistake in the first place. So I don't want to repeat the same mistake again. I know, and I guess he's married, so his wife should stay back and take care of him. For me, I'm living with my son, going back to school.
Oh.
My darling. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, I missed you both so much. Come, yeah. How have you been?
Mommy, I've missed you so much.
Missed you both so much too. Hope your auntie have been taking good care of you.
Yes.
By the way, where is she?
Mommy, how's Daddy doing? He had an accident.
Don't worry. Daddy is fine, don't worry. Nkem! Oh, there she is. Oh, my dear, thank you so much.
Kate, why are you dressed like this and where are you going to?
I was coming here. Besides, this is how I want to be looking henceforth. Don't you like it?
Yes, Mommy.
I know.
Kate, don't you think this is the wrong time to be this flashy? Judging from how you used to look when your husband was fine.
Okay. You look as if you don't know what I have been through in the hands of my husband, how I was treated.
But you know we were all against it.
There's no buts, okay? I owe no one an apology. I don't have a problem with how I'm dressing. I like what I'm wearing. And if you feel that how I'm dressed is very bad, then what I've been through should be your portion in Jesus' name. Say amen.
God forbid.
Oh, my darlings,
Thank
go
you
get
so
your
much like
things
that.
so we can go, okay? Hurry up.
Kate, think about it. Looking good is good, but not now.
Okay, I dressed terribly when something bad had not happened. So now that something bad has happened, what do you want from me? I should kill myself? Besides, as for looking good,